Here's a clear technician-level breakdown of the difference between LEV and UF1 dispense valves, focusing on how they work, where they're used, and why you choose one over the other. LEV dispense valve, lever-activated valve. What it is: a manual lever-operated valve. The operator physically pushes or pulls a lever to dispense product. Key characteristics: mechanical operation, no electronics. Flow starts and stops based on hand pressure. Typically delivers one product per valve. Very durable and simple. Internally common uses: traditional soda fountains, convenience stores, bars and quick-serve restaurants, locations with high traffic and minimal electronics. Pros: extremely reliable, easy to service and rebuild, no power or control boards needed, lower upfront cost. Cons: no portion control, inconsistent pour sizes. Operator-dependent flow. UF1 dispense valve, universal flow/electronic valve. What it is: an electronic solenoid-controlled dispense valve, activated by a button, touchpad, or control signal. Key characteristics: uses electrical signals to open, close the valve, often integrated with portion control systems. Can support multiple pour sizes. Requires power and a controller. Common US portion controlled soda system, self-serve. Kiosks, corporate food service and institutional setup systems requiring consistency and inventory control. Pros: consistent, repeatable pours, reduces waste and overfilling perfines. Modern interface, can integrate with POS or control systems. Cons: more complex troubleshooting. Requires power and electronic components. Higher initial cost. Solenoids and boards can fail over time. Technician tip: if you're troubleshooting LEV valve issues, gives usually mechanical O-rings, springs, syrup seals. UF1 valve issues, gives often electrical solenoid voltage, control board, harness, or sensor. I thank you for watching.